March 22nd, 2021, all right? Did 7,500 jump rope, or 7,507 jump rope one set. Went to the gym, 3.57 trim, almost missed 5 miles of bike, hardcore abs, wraps right here, sprint forwards, conjures, all right? My son out there soon, all right? So, hard work, grind every single day. Once you have 60-some degrees out, that's what it is, all right? Hungry for opportunity, a lifetime of opportunity, okay, when it comes through. All right, if I had to be in a little league, 3 or 4 games, blessed to be out there. Blessed to be a chance out there. And then get to the IFL right there. IFL 2021. I can, I will, I must. My son, everything. Touchdown for him in the end zone. Give it to him. Means that's my NFL right there. I'm going to accomplish that right there, regardless.